Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and while I absolutely love my duvet cover set in this room, a duvet cover is only going to be as comfortable as the duvet insert you choose to put inside of it. Thankfully, that means mine is super comfortable since I got this Silk Bedding Direct silk-filled duvet insert. I have always thought of myself as kind of a traditionalist when it comes to duvets. I always think that they have to be down-filled, but I have been super impressed with the quality of this silk-filled duvet. The Mulberry silk filling is incredibly fluffy, soft, and just cloud-like. The fabric casing is also very smooth, airy, and breathable. Something that I absolutely love is the fact that this is very evenly filled. I don't see any lumpy areas or any flat areas without enough filling. The silk filling really tends to stay put and does not shift around too much. I was so happy to see that it's very true to size. It fit inside my personal duvet cover perfectly. I'm using it in our guest bedroom, and guests that we recently had absolutely raved about how well they slept and how dreamy it is. This is my first experience with a silk-filled duvet, and I am 100% sold. Between the quality, the softness, and the comfort level, it is all there. And that's my point of view.